What would it mean for an island nation to lose its air connectivity? Picture this. Vanuatu, a South Pacific gem, heavily reliant on air transportation. Approximately 335,000 people reside in Vanuatu. Its flagship carrier, Air Vanuatu, entered liquidation on Thursday, May 9th, leaving the country in a lurch. Without Air Vanuatu, the nation is left with a gaping hole in its transportation infrastructure. Air Vanuatu, established in 1981, was the heartbeat of the nation's air connectivity for over 4 decades. This flagship carrier, born in the heart of the South Pacific, was more than just an airline. It was a symbol of national pride, a lifeline connecting the island nation to the world. From its hub at Bowerfield International Airport in the capital Port Vila, Air Vanuatu spread its wings to destinations in Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, and neighboring states in the region. Its fleet, including a Boeing 737-800 and an ATR 72-600, along with smaller aircrafts, crisscrossed the skies, a testament to the nation's aspirations. But beneath the surface, technical issues began to undermine its operations. In the coming days, approximately 20 flights have been canceled. The cause? Heightened maintenance conditions and undisclosed technical issues, according to the airline. The result? A sudden halt to the rhythm of air travel that the nation had grown accustomed to. The state-owned carrier's journey, once soaring, now grounded, culminated in an unexpected turn of events. The announcement of its entry into liquidation sent shockwaves through the nation and beyond. And so, the sudden liquidation of Air Vanuatu leaves a lingering question. What's next for the nation's air transportation? The liquidation of Air Vanuatu has not left the nation without hope. In the wake of this development, airlines like Virgin Australia and Fiji Airways have stepped in, initiating discussions to assist those who found themselves stranded. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of the global travel community, a reminder that even in trying times, we find ways to keep the world moving. On another front, the Vanuatu government has appointed the international consultancy firm EY to oversee the liquidation process. Their optimism about the possibility of reviving Air Vanuatu is notable. They understand the airline's strategic significance as a national carrier and how crucial its continued operation is for the country's benefit. While the loss of Air Vanuatu is a blow, the possibility of its revival gives the nation a glimmer of hope. Like and subscribe for more aviation updates.